Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Jeff. Today I'm gonna unbox my Tata mic. So I've been waiting for this for over 2 weeks now, and I'm so glad it's finally here. I'm super excited. So let's start. Some of you may already know what made me buy this one. So it was a video of Kim Tae-hyung trying to cheat to get Tata mic. I thought it was so cute, and that made me buy this Tata mic. Oh my god! Oh, there are photo cards here. Oh, two photo cards of Kim Tae-hyung. Nice. Love it. So I bought this for $54.99 plus $9.21 for the shipping, so a total of $64.20. Cool. Here's the Tata mic. I'm super excited. Wireless mic speaker BT21. Oh, I was wrong. Okay, this came with, I believe this is the charger, and this is micro USB or something. And this is the mic. So this also comes with the manual. Look at the Tata mic, so cute. Tata mic. I want Tata mic. I want Tata mic. Oh my god, they're in Korean. No English. Look at that. Korean. Let's figure this out without reading this manual, because I won't be able to understand this. It's in Korean. Let's see. So there is this button to turn on and off. Let's turn this on.
전원이 켜졌습니다.
OMG. What did she say?
전원이 꺼졌습니다.
I don't know what she said. Turn this on again.
전원이 켜졌습니다.
And there's the volume slider. Adjust the treble. It's here. There's bass, music, echo. Hello. 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 Hello.
Hello.
Oh my god, it's so loud. Hello. Hello. Hi. Without echo. Hello. Hi. On my pillow. Can't get me tired. That's without echo. What's this music? Hello. Hi. Hello. 50% echo. Hello. Full. Hello. Hello. It's too much echo. Hello. Hi, how are you? Hello. Let's put the bass at 50%. Hello. Hi. Better. Treble 50%. Hello. Hi. On my pillow. Can't get me tired. Smooth like butter, like a criminal undercover. Gun pop like trouble, breaking into your heart like that. Cool shade stunner, yeah, I owe it all to my mother. Hot like summer, yeah, I'm making you sweat like that. Break it down. I like blue and gray, but I couldn't sing the Korean part. Where's my angel? Na 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 na. Someone come and save me, please. Da na 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 da na. I just she's on. Get up in the morning, cup of milk, let's rock and roll. King Kong, kick the drum, rolling on like a rolling stone. Sing song when I'm walking home, jump up to the top of the prom. Ooh, when I look in the mirror, I'll melt your heart into two. I got that superstar glow, so ooh, such a bright love to my beat. I like the moon rock with me, baby. Now that I got that heat, let me show 'cause talk is cheap. Sidestep right left to my beat. Get it, let it roll smooth like butter. Pull you in like no other. Don't need no usher to remind me you got it bad. Ain't no other that can sweep you like a rubber. Straight up, I gotcha, making you fall like that. Break it down. I love this. I love this Tata mic. Oh, I think you have to pull this out. This. I'm trying to get rid of this plastic. Alright. Perfect. So how do you connect this to Bluetooth speaker? Why is this all in Korean? There's no English text here. Yeah, I'll figure this out later. Yep, I couldn't understand the text here.
Hello.
Sweet Night. Let's try Sweet Night. Just lyrics. On my pillow, can't get me tired, sharing my fragile truth, that I still hope the door is open, 'cause the window opened one time with you and me. Now my forever's falling down, wondering if you'd want me now. How could I know? One day I'd wake up feeling more, but I had already reached the shore. I like it, I like it. Ah. Alright, so this is it. I'll figure out how to connect this to the Bluetooth speaker. Or maybe I'll just watch a video on YouTube. There might be something there on how to operate this. It's just bad. It's they should put like English text here. So that's bad. Anyways, that is the Tata mic. I'm super excited. So yeah, that's it guys for today. Thank you guys for watching and have a wonderful day. Bye bye. On my pillow, can't get me tired, sharing my fragile truth, that I still hope the door is open, 'cause the window opened one time with you and me. Now my forever's falling down, wondering if you'd want me now. How could I know? One day I'd wake up feeling more, but I had already reached the shore. Guess we were ships in the night, night, night. We were ships in the night, night, night. I'm wondering, are you my best friend? Feels like a river's rushing through my mind. I wanna ask you if this is all just in my head. My heart is pounding tonight on you. If you, I said I want you. I wonder if you are too good to be true. And would it be alright if I pulled you closer? How could I know? One day I'd wake up feeling more, but I had already reached the shore. Guess we were ships in the night, night, night. Alright, it's bye now.